So plies is one of the first exercises we do at the bar. It's a series of slow movements, moving through your knees, using the entire body so that we can gently start to warm everything up. Let's get started. So we're going to start our plies exercise sideways to our bar with our feet in first position. So, feet together, rock back on the heels and open to a first position. And we're going to put the arm into bra bar. We're going to prepare the arm through first position and out to second. We're going to take a demi-plie and stretch, demi-plie and stretch. Then we're going to rise up, taking the arm to fifth and down, demi-plie and stretch. We're going to take the arm through first up to fifth and second, demi-plie and stretch, then point out to second. And as you do, you prepare the arm out to second again. We repeat in second position, demi-plie and stretch, demi-plie and stretch, rise up and down, demi-plie and stretch. The arm goes first up to fifth and second, demi-plie and stretch. Then point, and we're going to do something called a ronde, which is going to swoosh your foot round to the front and into fourth position. Now this one's a particularly hard one because you feel like your body wants to swing around. So we need to make sure that your hips are facing forward. So we're in this position. We do demi-plie and stretch, demi-plie and stretch, rise up to the down and demi and stretch. The arm goes down to first, to fifth and second, demi-plie and stretch. Point that front foot, so move your body weight onto the back foot. And we're going to close in third position, so the heel going to the arch of your foot and through. And we repeat, demi-plie and stretch, demi-plie and stretch, rise up and down, demi-plie and stretch. The arm goes bra bar to first, to fifth and second, demi-plie and stretch. Then we're going to finish with a dégagé to second, close in first with the arms in bra bar.